NooNi. Welcome to NooNi Kids channel. What I need to make this train. I need shapes. I need 6 squares, 4 rectangles, 2 triangles, 12 circles. First I need a blue big square. No small one. I do not need it now. Another big square. It is a red square. Yes. Here. Good job. A big yellow rectangle. Yes. Here. Good job. I have 2 triangles. I need now the big one. It is a green triangle. I need to make windows for my train. I will use small white squares as a windows. Good job. Triangle. I will use all circles to make them as wheels.